Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Welcome to today's short video. Now this video is going to be very short, okay? And this video, I'm making this video on RDP because a lot of people have been trying to communicate with me based on RDP for a while, and people have been like, okay, they want to know what RDP is or how to create it. And I think I even have some comments few months ago about how to get the cheapest RDP, stuff like that, and I decided to make this video. Okay, there's actually ways you could actually make or create an RDP server that you could use to log into your various freelance websites or do a lot of things online without breaking the bank. Okay guys, now this for people who don't know what RDP is about, okay, RDP is a remote desktop protocol, okay, and every laptop has a remote desktop connection where you put the details of the RDP, which is the remote desktop protocol, to log in to your remote desktop server. Come on, I know this technicality sounds a little bit weird or so. However, that's just how it is. Okay, so this is a kind of a server you use. It's more like another laptop or a different computer on a different server in a different location. Okay, most people use it for when they want to do something that needs them to be probably in the US, in the UK, or other country, and they don't want to use VPN because VPN is considered not safe for a lot of things. You know, sometimes a lot of websites could actually detect that you're using VPN. However, if you're using an RDP, it's undetectable. Why? Because the server simply sees that you're actually using a laptop because you're actually truly using a laptop in a different country. The difference is that you are just connecting to the laptop through your laptop in your country. So that's the difference. So now guys, let's get started and create a free RDP in a few minutes. And don't forget, based on the title, this RDP, you could actually use it for good 12 months. 12, come, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 months. That's approximate to a year. It's free. That's how easy it is. And if you pick up your phone now and do a Google search about RDP, remote desktop connection, servers, and how to get them, the cheapest you're ever going to see is like $6 a month. $6 a month. That's the cheapest you're going to see. And now you can actually do this for free. And all you need is that it's just an email account. And you need to add a payment method, obviously, but you are not going to be charged. You just need to add a payment method, but you're not going to be charged yet. Now, I'm going to be doing this. I have someone I wanted to do it for, so I just wanted to use the opportunity to make this video by doing it for you guys also in this video. Now, let's get started.